Hello and welcome to Escaping Anuj. Today I am hitchhiking from Almaty to Astana, and it's a wonderful experience because on the way you see a lot of no man's land like this. There's no tree, it's just the plain ground all around, beautiful stones, and you get a lot of people who are very helpful, who are very amazing. And it's a wonderful experience to hitchhike in Kazakhstan. I never imagined something like this. It's so beautiful. The weather today is so amazing just for me because I am hitchhiking on the road. That is why the weather is so good. You see birds all around. I saw a lot of dead birds on the road maybe because of the global warming or something, because it's very sunny. When it's not the season like this, it's very sunny. I'm gonna hitchhike. I almost hitchhiked around 300 kilometers and now it is total like 1800 kilometers or something. So I have to get a ride as soon as possible because it's gonna get dark soon, and if it gets dark I need a place to stay. If not, then I have to stay on the beautiful grass. Beautiful. I see a very few cars, but only the cargo trucks are here. So maybe a cargo truck will give me a lift. A lot of people clicked pictures with me. They are like, oh, Indus, Indus. So for Indians, they say Indus. And they're like, Indus, Indus. And I'm like, yes, Indus. And they click picture. Oh my God. It's a village where no tourists come usually. This village, which was Kurti, not a lot of tourists, especially Indians or the brown people or the colored people come here. So they look me in a very strange way, which is all right. I enjoy it. In the thunderstorm and I finally got a lift in a cargo truck. This guy gave me the lift and we are going to Astana now. truck needs some oil replacement, and the guy is replacing the oil, and we are surrounded with no trees, just the land, just the no man's land. There are some animals grazing all around. There's no tree, there's no tree shade. Here's the guy.
I'm from Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan. So beautiful here. Other truck drivers having a good time. There it is raining. Raining is called Jangbar. Jangbar Javada. So this is Jangbar. Raining.